Hello, and welcome to the show. We got something big and exciting for y'all. So we are rounding out the end of January, going into February now, which means World Carnivore Month is done. Some of y'all stuck with it, some of you didn't. The reason a lot of y'all may not have stuck with it is because you found the carnivore diet to be not convenient for you. And that's true. If you're trying to eat quality carnivore foods, the convenience factor can certainly present an issue, an obstacle, a hurdle, a problem. Which is why I have decided to partner with some amazing brands that I use and believe in myself, and we're going to craft this awesome collaborative giveaway, the ultimate carnivore convenience bundle, so to speak. So let's just dive into what we got going here. We got carnivore snacks. They're amazing. They are a meat pastry, as the term has been coined. They are delicious. They're all just meat and salt. I eat these all the time. They literally melt in your mouth. My personal favorite is the pork loin. We've got Craft Fish Co., which is a new company that I've recently stumbled upon. I've had the owner on the podcast. They are also amazing. They are catching wild-caught tuna, pole and line, not using nets. They're going for the smaller fish that don't have as high a risk of having mercury concentrations at higher levels. They're doing it the right way, sustainably. Again, pole and line. Awesome. Each one of these packs a ton of protein. This is actually the smaller tin. They have a larger tin, which is going to be featured in the giveaway, but I ate them all because they're delicious. They're packed in olive oil. I burnt myself out on tuna in my bro bodybuilding days. I just no longer like the taste of tuna until I came across this brand. It's delicious. Like, it honestly tastes way better than any tuna you're going to find in any of the store shelves. So, awesome way to get a ton of quality protein in, as well as your omegas, which is obviously very beneficial. Carnivore Bar. My good friend Philip at Carnivore Bar, he makes these. They're delicious as well. They're made with grass-finished tallow and beef. They've got multiple different flavor options. Some contain honey. Some are just salted. They've got an apple pie flavor. I don't know if that one's sold out or not. But they've got an amazing part that's super shelf-stable, and you could pretty much like pack it in your bunker and not need it for 25 years and it be at the ready for you when you need it. Obviously, we got the Keto Brick. We are relaunching, restocking the Carnivore Cake Pop, which is our lowest carb brick at 3 grams of carbs, and it's totally carnivore. It's got the Oregon blend. We got our Primal Fudge Brick, which is also totally carnivore, has the Oregon blend as well. All the other Keto Brick flavors, some made with cacao butter, some made with grass-finished tallow, some have an Oregon blend, some have a whey, some have a plant protein, some have a complete no-whey carnivore protein blend with the Oregon, so you can check all the boxes. We got whatever you need. This carnivore convenience bundle is a behemoth. There's going to be literally 365 days worth of bricks, which is over $4,300 in value. And then each of these other 3 brands are going to contribute $700 plus worth in value as well. So a whole bunch of carnivore bars, a whole bunch of carnivore snacks, a whole bunch of tins of this Craft Fish Co. tuna. The only requirement to enter this giveaway is to simply plug your email into this. You know, if you go down or go up wherever you're on this page, if you just simply plug your email in, that gets you entered. Bonus points, double entry if you order a Keto Brick during the promo period. So any orders that you make during the promo period, which is from February 1st to February 15th, will grant you an additional entry as well. Basically, what I'm going to do at the end of this promo period is export all of those emails and any of the orders for a Keto Brick during that promo period, and that will be the randomized list of contacts that I'm going to pick a random winner from. And then we're going to send you all these goodies, which is totaling over $6,500 in value. So if you're wanting to follow a carnivore diet, you're wanting to make it convenient, this is the way to do it. Again, huge shout out to these other brands that are involved. One thing that I really appreciate about these 3 other brands, and myself included, all 4 brands, is that we've kept production in-house. We're doing it for the right reasons, for the right people, because we're all very passionate about crafting something for you to benefit your health and well-being done in the right manner. So appreciate all y'all for tuning in. Appreciate these brands for getting involved. Best of luck to you on the giveaway.